Hi everybody, I'm Larry Sigel with Iowa School Finance Information Services. Today I'm here to tell you about our new partnership with Grundmeyer Leader Search. Weeding through application after application to find a new leader for your district is a long, time-consuming process. That is why ISFIS has partnered with Grundmeyer Leader Search to help school districts recruit, hire, and interview potential leaders, both locally and nationally, that best fit your school district's values and goals. The Leader Search philosophy is simple. Grundmeyer Leader Search works for the school board, and every search is personalized to their unique requests and demands. Unlike other leader search firms, Grundmeyer carefully and diligently searches for candidates whose skill set matches the district's needs instead of randomly picking from a predetermined corral of people. Leader Search supports schools in many ways and offer costs tailored to fit your search needs. They will create a personalized and professional approach to the search process with the belief that the firm works for the school board, create recruitment and marketing strategies aimed at finding the right fit, reduce paperwork for both the district and the applicants with the use of the AppleTrack system, provide your new leader with up-to-date financial tools and insight thanks to the partnership with ISFIS, and lay out a detailed entry plan to set the candidate up for success in their new leadership role. Thanks to the partnership between our two businesses, your new leader will have access to ISFIS's financial expertise. We will provide a detailed financial history and assessment of the district's financial health, all the while keeping in mind your questions and concerns. By working with Grundmeyer Leader Search and ISFIS in unison, we'll ensure a smooth and informed leadership transition. To learn more about this new service, visit our website at www.iowaschoolfinance.com/leadersearch or give us a call today at 515-251-5970. Thanks a lot.